deck, and I'm just going to show you how fast it is with a paint gun. There's minimal overspray and you can still kind of control it pretty good. Now, you're always trying to get in between the cracks with a brush and everything else. The paint gun actually gets in there for you. And as you can see, I can go over this. I can move a lot of ground in a short period of time. Yeah, I think you can't beat that.
Now you got to tell the boys and girls what you just did.
Okay, so as you can see, this here is the lattice. This was white before. We used a decking stain. It's water based. We used my paint gun, my automotive paint gun, and our air compressor or whatever. But we took our filter out of here, filled it up probably 3/4 of the stain, and partial mixture of water to thin it out.
This is where I got to chase you.
Do that piece there.
Oh, you missed the spot.
Don't touch her up. There. Okay, so then, as you've seen in the previous video, we stained the deck. We stained all along here. You know, it's quick, easy way of doing things. Because trying to get down in between all those grooves with a paintbrush, we'd be there for a long time. Did all the back deck, all the railing, all the boardwalk, the flower bed, all the way around the house.
Oh yeah, gotta put that tape on. That stuff. Gotta put that on. You didn't paint those uprights, did you?
No, I didn't do
Oh.
the upright posts.
But you did all the deck.
Did all the decking, yep. Except for that spot on the inside of the flower bed there.
Oh, we won't show you that.
So, I started off doing the front over there with a paintbrush and roller. I was there for an hour. Might have got, I don't know, 4 feet down the boardwalk. And I said, you know what? This is the way to go. Started spraying. Wasn't getting enough stain coming out of the gun, so I took my filter out and then diluted it with some water to thin it up some. And man, I was like, I could do this whole boardwalk and the stairs in an hour or so.
Oh, I almost forgot.
So, if
Up
you guys,
Up there too, right? You did
Yeah.
all the way up through there.
Yeah, we did all the spindles and all the decking everywhere. So in time total, probably what? What time is it now?
For 3.5 hours.
Yeah, 3.5 hours by the
Four.
time we got it dialed in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So a good 5 hours altogether.
But yeah, if
roughly.
you got an air compressor and a paint gun, highly recommend it. Just tape everything off and be careful around the edges with the spindle. The spindles on the decking. I got a little bit of overspray in the house, so chances are you want to be careful with that. I didn't think it was going to spray that far because nowhere else sprayed like that. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe and we'll see you guys all next time.